In this video, we're going to show you to install spark plugs on your Volvo XC60 located on your engine. With the hood open, go ahead and locate the engine cover. You're going to go ahead and with two hands, grab each side and gently wiggle upward. You're going to dislodge the 4 rubber grommets securing this. Remove that cover and set it aside. With the engine cover off, you can go ahead and locate your ignition coils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In order to remove these here, we're going to start by disconnecting the electrical connector. You're going to pinch on the little spring clip here, pinch and pull. On the opposite end, you can find an 8mm bolt. We're going to use our socket and ratchet. Go ahead, loosen. Spin that out. Remove that, set it aside. Don't lose it, we'll be reusing that later. Go ahead and grab your ignition coil, gently twist and lift up, and there you go. Now you're going to locate your spark plugs down inside the cylinder here. We're going to use a spark plug socket, and that simply has a rubber grommet inside to capture the spark plug. So go ahead and feed that down, rotate that gently until it drops in, push it down into place. And go ahead and spin this out. And that rubber insert inside the socket will assist you when you go to remove this from down inside the cylinder. There it is. You want to go ahead and grab your spark plug. And before you drop this down inside, that's not something that we recommend doing. You want to be careful of the ground strap here. You don't want to bend that in. That's going to ruin the spark plug gap. Here's a little tip. Use a piece of fuel line. Push that on. That'll hold that in place. You can then lower that down and thread that in. Go ahead and pop that off. Now we'll go ahead and use our torque wrench. Now we removed the rubber grommet from inside, or you can use a standard 16mm socket. And we want to torque this down to 20 foot-pounds. Go ahead and grab your ignition coil, and we put a thin coat of some silicone paste on the rubber boot. And we put just a little dab, just a little bit on the inside there as well. Go ahead and drop that down inside. Push it down onto the spark plug. And go ahead and get that bolt started. And in most cases, you can just spin that down almost all the way by hand. Grab your ratchet. And we just want to snug this down gently. Once it bottoms out, just a tiny bit. Go ahead and grab the electrical connector, line that up, and push it on. Now you're going to repeat this process for the other 5 cylinders. And then when we install the engine cover, there's going to be 4 points of contact here, 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 and here. Line up your oil fill, and once that's lined up, it pretty much lines up itself, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.